In this video, we'll show you how to do anonymous questions on Instagram. Instagram doesn't have a built-in anonymous question sticker, but you can use a third-party app like NGL to receive anonymous messages from your followers. Here's how to set it up. Download and open the NGL app on your phone. Tap Get Questions on Instagram, select Instagram. Enter your Instagram username when prompted. Tap Done. NGL will automatically generate your anonymous message link. Tap Copy Link. Open the Instagram app. Tap the plus icon to create a new story. Choose a photo or background from your camera roll. Tap the sticker icon. Select the link sticker. Paste your copied NGL link. Tap Done, then post your story. Your followers can now tap the link in your story and send you anonymous messages. You'll receive the messages inside the NGL app. And that's it. That's how you can host anonymous questions on Instagram. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more social media tips and tutorials.